right, today we're going to bring a heat press. This is for hats only, so we're going to prepare it. We're going to show you. I'm not a professional. This is not a tutorial. This is just to show you the product, how it works, and how to set it up. So knowing your actual vinyl that you're going to be transferring, you have to set up the heat. Now included with this, they actually give you the heated tape. If you guys can see it, this is the heated tape, so you could use this. They give you a couple templates. We're going to use one of these, little beautiful little dinosaur drinking its boba, and of course they give you instructions. All right, and we're going to set it up. And of course this is not include a hat as a template or anything, so I went and bought a little hat as a template, and also wax paper, because you are going to need wax paper, or else you can burn through the actual vinyl. So we're going to set it up and see how it works. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, first thing we did, we turned it on, we plugged it in already. We're going to set our temperatures, but first we're going to make sure that the hat is ready, prepared, and I'm going to show you. This lever here is actually to stretch the hat. All right, so you put it down here and you have to stretch it out, right, to your liking. Now make sure that there is no dent in here, so you just got to make sure you properly push the hat, line it up, push it down, and then when you get it nice and thin where there's not that much of a gap there, just make sure you work it. And if it's not working out, just always adjust the actual springs. All right, I'm going to heat and iron this, make sure that it's ironed. So right now we're going to set it up, preheat it for 310 and put it 14 seconds, and then we'll start the preparation of putting this on, taping it on after, and then do the same thing. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, we're going to set up the temperatures, and right here's temp and timer. So right now it's at 71. We're going to go ahead and set up temp first. We're going to set up to 310, 305 or 310. So you can hold it down. Now we're going to put timer. Temp done. Timer. We're going to put 14 seconds on the timer. Okay, we're going to wait for and then timer, and it's all set up. So we have it set. When it goes down, the timer will actually start. All right, we're going to give you a bird's eye view of what we're going to do. Right now, like I said, we're going to press it down for about 5 seconds, 5 to 6 seconds right now, all right, just to iron it out. And the timer automatically starts, all right, when you're actually doing it. So we're going to do it a couple seconds, pick it up now. And if it's not too tight, it's perfect. If it's not too tight, you can always tighten it out here, so you could bring it down even lower and closer and squish it. So today, we're going to go ahead and set this up now. We're going to set it up here. All right, a little bit of wax paper. We're gonna go ahead and start it. Bring it down. 4 seconds, 5 seconds, and it makes a beeping sound. Bring it up, and we could still see that it needs a little bit more. Now we're gonna try to do it without it. So lift the little hat just a little bit more. Just a little bit. Try to do it again for at least 5 to 6 seconds on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that should do it. To test it out, let's go ahead and take it out. Take out the tape. And look at that. Me taking out the tape. Look how beautiful it looks. Thermal tape. There it is. So we're gonna iron it out just a little bit with it for like 3 seconds, all right? 3 to 2 seconds, right? 1, 2. There we go. Perfect fit. Look at how beautiful, shiny it looks, and we got ourselves a beautiful hat. So the product out of the box, ready to go. Set up your temperatures. Once you're done with it, make sure you turn it off. Set up your temperatures, and you should be set. If you go adjust the top and you go adjust the bottom, as easy as I did right now, and set up your hat. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.